Have you ever wanted to make the text in your videos fade from one colour to another? Then you're in the right place. Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to show you a simple way to get your colour to change gradually from one to another in Shotcut. This is not the only way to change text colour, but I'll cover some other methods in future videos. I think one of the easiest ways to do this is to have a text layer. So go to Open, select Text, type something into the box, change whatever defaults you want in the text simple box, drag it onto the timeline, copy it, and make the second one a different colour. Now I'm going to drag one across the other to create a transition, and then I can select any of the transitions in the Properties tab and get a slightly different effect, depending on what I choose. It's probably better with most of these not to have a hard transition, so I'm leaving that slider where it is. Here are what a few of the options look like. If you want to see how else you can use transitions, try this video next. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.